Okay, I'm going to do a couple problems for you tonight. I'm going to do all of page 11 on the left side. I'm going to do problem 2 and also problem 4. Okay, number 2 is written 121 divided by 8. So I need to set it up correctly. And if you read the directions for number 2, it says write your answer as a fraction. So as I'm dividing this out, I'm going to look at my problems. I remember my division family. Does 8 go into 1? The answer is no. So I put a 0. I'm going to multiply. 0 times 8 is 0. Sister subtracts. So I'm going to subtract 1 minus 0, 1. And brother brings down. Rover's going to repeat, so I'm going to do all my steps over again because I have not finished. I want to either have it at the end where it terminates or some type of repeating decimal. And right now I don't have either one of them, so I'm going to keep on going. So I'm going to say, does 8 go into 12? My answer is yes. One time. 1 times 8 is 8. Sister or subtract, I get 4, and brother brings down the 1. I'm going to keep on going until I finish, so I got to repeat all my steps over again. Does 8 go into 41? The answer is yes. 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract 1. Now at this point, 1 is my remainder, but since we don't have a remainder, and this one says write it as a fraction, so this is my whole number, and I go clockwise. So my answer to this problem is going to be 15. That's my whole number. And 1 over 8. 15 and 1/8 is the answer. Okay, number 4 is just like number 2, except for number 4 says write it as a decimal. So we're going to have a little bit more work to do. But I set it up the same way. The only thing I want to do different is I want to add my decimal point, make sure I put it there, and move it up to the quotient. So the first couple parts are all the same, just like I did before. So I'm going to do it kind of fast this time. Does 8 go into 1? My answer is no, so I put a 0. 0 times 8 is 0. Subtract, bring down. Does 8 go into 12? Again, 1 time. 8, subtract, 4, bring down. Does 8 go into 41? 5 times. Now at this point, this is where I was last time. I have my remainder here, which we don't want remainders. So if you were paying attention in class, I can add all the zeros I want to after this. So I'm going to keep adding a 0. Does 8 go into 10? The answer is yes. 1 time. 1 times 8 is 8. Subtract, I get 2. I got to keep going until it repeats or terminates. Does 8 go into 20? The answer is yes. 2 times. Subtract. Still going to keep on going. Will 8 go into 40? The answer is yes. 5 times. So at this point, my answer is done. It's the same answer as before, but this time it's in a decimal form, so it's 15 and 125 thousandths. So it's the same problem, just written 2 different ways. Hope this helps.